Hello guys, so I had a work engagement in Lodwar where I got to stay at the Cradle camp. The Cradle camp is a luxurious oasis located in the heart of Turkana. It is situated like 4.7 kilometers from Lodwar airport. The hotel offers a wide range of facilities including a swimming pool and a restaurant. But since I was here for work, I didn't get a chance to enjoy these amenities as much as I'd love to, as we were away for the better part of the day. However, I really enjoyed my stay there. The rooms are very spacious and tastefully decorated. The beds are very comfortable and the bathroom area is clean and well appointed. If you're looking for a luxurious and relaxing place to stay while in Lodwar, the Cradle Camp is the perfect place for you.
Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my life. Boys like them, they self me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade. The shadiest of places, a better one I saw.
So guys, let's get into the most interesting part of this video, which is the room tour. Yeah, so I'm filming from the door, walking right into the bedroom area. There is the bed, very cozy. And then that is the rest of the room. There is a small desk and a chair complete with the dustbin on the side. And moving closer, as you can see, the hotel provides refreshments. By refreshments, I mean water and a glass. Those are just my other essentials, my hat, my fanny pack. That is the desk and the table where you could study or catch up with work. And then the bedroom area from another view. Very well decorated. I love that the African accents match with my handbag. Then they had a TV where you could catch up with your favorite show during your free time. Very well decorated curtains. Yeah, a sofa, a small sofa where you could chill as you watch your favorite TV show. Plenty of pillows to rest your head on. Yeah. I also love that the room had plenty of natural light. The windows were just big and they were facing the side of the light, as you can see. Very lit, very cozy. Yeah. Moving on to the bathroom area.
Like them, they self me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade. The shadiest of places, a better one I saw.
As you can see, that is the closet area. The type that unpacks. Those are my essentials. Again, my suitcase. That is the sink. And it had a shower area as well. A very cozy shower area, complete with towels that they were changing every so often. The hotel also provided us with essentials like the soap, the shampoo, and stuff like that. Yes, that is the washroom area, guys. And the toilet over there. And then walking out and going back to the bedroom area / lounging area. And the room also comes with a balcony view. So you could bask outside when you need some sun. As you can see, it was a very beautiful sunny day. Yes, you could chill there and just have a drink or something, or as you read your favorite book. Yes, that's pretty much it, guys. Have a lovely one.